Hey there, today I will tell you how to fix American Express gift card not working. Step 1. Check the gift card balance. It is always important to check the MX gift card balance immediately after redeeming it. This ensures that the gift card's value is added to your account. Step 2. Ensure the card number and PIN are correct. Your approach towards your gift card must be thorough. In essence, you must meticulously enter the 15-digit card number of your Amex gift card and the 4-digit PIN. Ensure there are no spaces or alphabets in between the digits. Step 3. Contact Amex customer service. You may have to contact Amex customer service if the issue persists after making all efforts from your end and all prove abruptly. In this case, you may have to contact Amex customer service your last resort, where you will expect your queries to be appropriately resolved. Check the expiry date of the gift card. As mentioned earlier, Amex gift card carry an expiration date like your ATM card, with the month and year imprinted on the gift card, so it is imperative to check the expiry date of your Amex gift card to know when your gift card will become invalid. Step 5. Request a replacement card if necessary. You may have to request another Amex gift card if you cannot redeem your gift card. It is possible that the gift card is fake or someone has already redeemed the gift card before you. If you follow this step, you should be able to fix American Express gift card not working. Thank you for watching.